Well, guys, now we are in the second part. Let's move it. Now then, let's go to Serbia Forest. There, maybe you guys won't know, but we can travel like this. Bah. And now we are in Serbia Forest. And this is a flag shop. See, first encounter, we are getting it. As much as you know, you can get all kinds of flags. Except for these three flags. All others are non-members flag. Now let's move outside, and now next there is this Serbia Theater. Okay, this is Serbia Theater. Now we go there, we can watch videos. Then snacks. This is a game. Yeah, this is our game, and this is a show. I'll show you guys. Yes, you can see, so that's much for. Let's move out. This is a plant shop. Tree of garden. What's the flower like this out there? I don't know this. Let's buy one. Okay, I have that. Nothing is more big here. Yeah. One secret that I found. Can I show the secret agent? Yeah, here's a hidden game. Its name is Swoopy Eagle. Now let's move down. Serbia Force is usually used by role players for role playing. Some are so harsh. This is the role play. Topiary shop. Just you can see this. There's some people who are role playing, and we can move. Now we are going to Coral Canyons. This is Coral Canyons, and this is a Bus game. Now this is an art studio or something like that. I don't know correct name. Yeah, art studio. If you click there, we can paint something for members. They can create masterpieces. Non-members were able to create on Jamali days, which is equal to December 1 to December 31st and 25th. Banner will come and say Happy Jamal days, like Happy Christmas or some things like that. And this is a dance shop area. I can pretty much, or not pretty much, all dance over here. But one problem is that I may not remember. We can buy only 2 dance, one underwater and online. I didn't want any underwater dance. And this is Swoopy Eagle, which is not a hidden one. And now we are in Wild Explorer's tent. Yeah, we can watch many videos. There's some other stuff. And now we are moving down, and we are going to get into to what? Don't know. Epic Wonders. And this is a done item shop. Pretty much all are for members. Now we are moving upwards. This is body items shop, and pretty much all for members only. Hey, little muffin 1233, you are in my video, you know. Yeah, you are in my video. Indeed. And I forgot to show you something. And I'm gonna show you guys that I'm not able to show up, but I'm told that only flying animals can get to a shop up there or that direction. I don't know that shop's name, but it need to be a flying animal, but non members don't have flying animals, and so I'm sorry guys, I'm not able to show you. What this guy got? What light up pouring? That's a promo gift. New Year party hat. Wooden floor. Let me body this guy. Okay, now the wooden floor. Then I'm gonna trade at them. What do I will trade? What do I will trade? I don't know what I will trade. Maybe fridge, which I was saving for some good item with some who don't have that. Let me see if this guy accepts trade. Waiting for the trade. What? You declined? Okay, then I'm going. It's already 7 minutes and I only show you guys one land. Yeah, let's hurry up. And we are now getting to Coral Canyon. It's a pathway. Let me see. Canyon's pathway. There's nothing big over here, as you can see. It's just a pathway to which connects Coral Canyon sand, and you'll see that. Crystal sands. Yeah, that's the correct answer. What? I met this guy before. Why is he following me? Yeah, this is Crystal Sands. There's nothing much big. It's a theater over here. That's not much of a thing. Captain Malevolous. What is I forgot. Captain Malevolous juice head. Okay, let me check what part is going on right now. Spicy. 2 minutes. Upcoming parties. Yeah, these are cool parties. What? There's no bunnies only party? Okay, I'll tell you guys that I can show you guys the underwater lands until I decide if I need to get one underwater animal. Next we can move to Upondale. Okay, this is Upondale seat for yourself. I am a wolf and I climbed up a tree. You know that? Ha 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 ha. And this is a place that you guys wanna see because that's gonna be a museum. But there's a store over here. See? Full of heads. And there's nothing here in the theater. No. Oh, there's one more place that I need to show you guys. Oh yeah. Yeah. Get it, you know? Yeah. Get it, you know? This is Clothes and Pearls, where you can adopt lots and lots of pets, and there's a pet shop over here. See? Unbelievable this. Now we can move to Kimbara Outbacks, the last land that I'm going to show you guys. It says some weird stuff, so never mind those weird stuffs. Only mind and weird stuffs. Okay? Right. And this is Kimbara Outback, just like Australia. Where did I click? Oh, that's nothing. I didn't want to see any videos. And this is Kimbara Imports. We are gonna get in. And in Kimbara Imports we can buy many many items that are made up of stones, but most of them are only for members. As you guys hear that I'm saying members and non-members, non-members. There's most of the times, and the reason is that you need to pay to become a member. Then you will get full freedom in this game. You can do many things, you know. You need to be a member. Or I will show you that you need to pay real money. It's a real deal, you know. See it for yourself. Into pay monies. That's what membership's supposed to be. Not was. That is membership. Okay, now one more building in Kimbara Outback, and then signing off, you know. Just nothing. I was just checking my downloads. This is Gabby's Animal Hospital. First it was just a single hospital. Now in the new update it becomes Gabby's Animal Hospital. I bet she has many videos over here. I'm not gonna show that. And to get a video, yeah, this lady over here is Gabby something. What is stethoscope? I know what stethoscope is because I know how to check. I know to check blood pressure. I need to know what's stethoscope first, then only I can use it to check blood pressure. What? I'm been clicking constantly. Sorry, clicking.